Magandang hapon mga ka-panatiko ko sa pag-trade ng NBA cards. So, kumusta? So, this is our 17th pack, no? Tama ba? 17? Or sorry. Yeah, 16th, no? 16th. This is our 16th pack. So, magbubukas tayo ng ika-16 na pack. So, simulan na natin. Pipili na tayo. Pack number 7. Pack number 7. Let's see. Let's go, let's go. By the way, please like and share. No, please like and share. Konting konting pabor. Di ba? First card. Used to be the point guard of the Chicago Bulls. Kirk Hinrich. Magaling to. Nagkaroon na to ng injury sa tuhod. Stadium Club. From the Denver Nuggets. Todd Lichty. Kita mo yung niya, yung ito yung mga dati, ito na yung mga mga insert cards. A college card for Ronnie Brewer of the ano ba to? Razorbacks, yes. Of the Razorbacks, Arkansas Razorbacks. College card. A rookie card from, yes, a rookie card. Rookie card for Skybox. Eric Kendall Riley, rookie card. An NBA Hoops card for Sacramento Kings. Lumang-luma, 1990 card. Anton Carr. From the Dallas Mavericks, forward, Sean Williams. We have a silver card for the Dallas Mavericks, Raymond Felton. Silver card. Another old card for Seattle Supersonic guard, Quinton Daly. Another old card, center for the Phoenix Suns, Mark West. Ito yung time nila Charles Barkley ng Phoenix. Oh, another. Ang daming old cards ito Skybox, Dallas Mavericks, Brad Davis. Ang daming old cards. At may 4 na sleeve cards. Oh, we have a Topps Stadium Club. Insert talaga. Topps Stadium Club insert. This is a power forward. Talagang low post player. Derek Coleman of the New Jersey Nets. Yan, ito yung niya. Stadium, Topps Stadium Club. Yan. Nice. We have a bronze. A rookie card. Rated rookie card from the San Antonio Spurs. Joshua Primo. Yan. Rookie card. Silva bronze. We have a Prism card from Washington Wizards. Thomas Bryant. Yan. Talagang holong-holo. Rainbow colors. No? And our last card. Donruss 2020-2021 from the Indiana Pacers. Domantas Sabonis. Ito naman, anak na to siya. If you still remember, his father was playing for the Portland Trail Blazer. You know, center yon sa Arizona Sabonis. Malaking mama na magaling mag-shoot 3-pointer pero playing center. Ito anak. I think nagkaroon to ng parang na record, no? Few games back. Triple-double. walang miss shot, walang error, no, walang turnover, walang miss shot, and may isa pa, walang miss shot, walang turnover, at walang field goal miss shot, walang free throw miss shot, at walang turnover, walang field goal miss shot, walang free throw miss shot. Galing. 0. Galing. So guys, what do you think on the cards? No? We still have 5 remaining cards. And after that, another break. Diba? So guys, if you have some comments and suggestions, please put it below. And kindly share and like. No, kindly share and like the video, please. So that's it for me, guys. God bless. Ciao everyone. Let Nick out.